Samsung high-speed CNC computer panel saw. It satisfies for customized for house furniture. It seamlessly integrates with furniture design software. The max cutting thickness is 100 mm. The minute cutting area is 33 wide by 45 mm long. Bridge heavy-duty frame designed to ensure no deformation of the structure. Integral saw car structure for enhanced stability. 10 sets of mechanical grippers. Linear guide rails against the machinery, which ensures smoother operation. The press beam can automatically position according to the height of the stacked plates, reducing the time of idle travel and improving efficiency. Dual independent rolling side supports. Single push hand technique. The automatic positioning of saw blade and pressure beam. Batch cutting. The minute cutting area is 33 wide by 45 mm long. High-speed sewing machine. Control system. Automatic labeling.